Thank you, Tommy, for the breathing exercise. I really needed it. My name is Ori, and I'm one of the co-founders of CarbonCell. And we are on a mission to make polystyrene waste, like you see here on the screen, a thing of the past. I probably don't need to explain too much about the problem of polystyrene. It takes hundreds of years to degrade. It takes petrochemicals to make. It can photodegrade and leach harmful chemicals into the environment. And although manufacturers might tell you that it's recyclable, the truth is we barely recycle it. And demand isn't slowing. This year alone, we're going to make enough of this stuff to cover the whole continent of Europe 50 millimeters thick. That's a lot. But that's where CarbonCell comes in. We developed a carbon-negative, non-toxic, home-compostable foam, and it's made from biochar, a form of carbon that's made by heating up organic waste with the lack of oxygen. That way, we trap all the CO2 inside this material. With the biochar, so if you're using 1 kilogram of CarbonCell instead of expanded polystyrene, you'll avoid emitting 3.7 kilogram of CO2e. This foam is rigid, it's insulative, it's strong, it's lightweight, and it's scalable. Unlike other biomaterials in the market, for example, mycelium, CarbonCell use heat for the expansion, which is similar to expanded polystyrene, and that means that we can use existing infrastructure to expand the material. The foam market is huge. You probably don't think about it, but foam is everywhere. We are going to start from luxury packaging and modeling foam, because this is where we can move fast and prove the capabilities of the material. But after that, we'll go into protective packaging and insulation, and more. This is the simple pipeline of how we make the material. We source the biochar from biochar manufacturers. Then we make our material into beads that we license to foam manufacturers. And they then expand the foam in molds and make the end products. So far, our journey was pretty strong. We started to collaborate with different manufacturers, sign multiple LOIs, and secure around 1.5 million pounds. We're a team of designers, engineers, and we have around 20 years of combined experience. We are all very passionate about materials and sustainability, and the three of us grew up near the ocean, so we know the problem firsthand. And this is how it looks like. It's pretty terrible, and if we don't act now, the amount of polystyrene that we'll have will triple itself by 2040. So on one hand, it's a huge problem, but we believe that there is also a huge opportunity over here. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're unbelievable.